As children are one of the vulnerable groups in the strife-torn state of Manipur, 5 children who had taken to the Maharashtra with the false promises to provide their educations were allegedly tortured and harassed by the members of newly admitted schools. Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur rescued them safely with the support of the Government of Maharashtra. Alluring with the fake promises to provide free educations at Sri Swaminarayan's English Medium School, Nashik, Maharashtra, 5 children from Manipur aged between 9 to 15 were taken to the said state. On the contrary to that, the children were reportedly maltreated and subjected to harsh punishment. Addressing media in a press conference held at the Department of the Social Welfare yesterday, its director Ngangom Uttam Singh said that the department had received a complaint report from parents of 4 children who were sent to Sri Swaminarayan English Medium School to get free education. The parents reported that their children are being subjected to harsh punishments and torture, which is a very clear violation of the various provisions of the children protection laws. Following the complaint report, his department approached the commissioners of the Social Welfare Government of Maharashtra requesting to rescue them. Consequently, the District Child Protection Unit, Nashik, have rescued 5 children from the above-mentioned school. They have reported 5 children to District Child Welfare Committee, Nashik, on February 3 at 2 p.m., he added. He continued that the teams of his department brought those children to the Imphal today. They will hand it over to their respective parents. The department feels so grateful that many generous people link for children to get free education in the critical periods of the Manipur. However, these people involved in such activities should be very cautious before sending their children. They should verify the condition of the schools and whether it is safe or fit. Even parents should search out schools before sending them blindly. He suggested while stating the department is working at the best level for the sake of the welfare of the children. He also urged the parents to avoid signing on blank paper or going through any documents provided by the school's authority before signing it. The documents can be easily misused or manipulated later. One of the victims told the media that they had left Imphal as a team to Nashik on December 3 with the belief that they would get a good education. They were treated well for around 1 week. Since then, they gradually changed their attitude and started ill-treating by giving them harsh punishments without any appropriate reason. All 5 of them were unable to bear their tortures. One of their parents' friends got injured.